Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap contains a usual mix of things. There's a little bit of welding, some machining, some plasma cutting. The custom T-slot scrapers I've made, I've sold quite a lot of these. They're all being posted out now, at least up to date, so everybody should have theirs. If you haven't received one, just give us a shout. It's possible one or two have been lost in the post, and some of them were late and getting posted away. I had no idea I was going to have to cut so many out. If you do one-to-one, that's the number, the eBay number. Just put that number in an eBay search and I'm sure I'll be able to fix you up. Last month's giveaway was claimed. It's just got away in the post this morning actually. When I put it in the post, it'll go on Monday and it's going away to America. I'm going to show what's going to be in next month's giveaway. As usual, if you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is send me an email containing your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it off to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. I'm sure I'll agree there's one or two nice little bits and pieces in there that are certainly well worth having. If you do happen to win it and there's something there you can't use, give it away to somebody else that can. That's the idea of it. And then everybody gets a little bit of pleasure and enjoyment out of it. Anyway, certainly well worth having a go at entering it. These are the prizes for next week's giveaway. This was sent in by a viewer. It's a Mr. 2U 0-25mm micrometer in really good condition. Obviously a double boost T-slot, scraper, set of these drills. I bought a few sets of these and they are good drills. I've been using them in the workshop and they're very, very good quality. An Extreme Plasma mug because Rob from Extreme Plasma does sponsor my YouTube channel, and a double boost Process Engineering hat. These can also be bought off the link on the start of the video. These are also made by Rob, who has Extreme Embroidery. I managed to salvage that bull head where it come. It hadn't come loose, I just forgot to tighten the chuck on the collar block. These are actually stainless, so I welded up with a little bit of stainless this morning and it's perfectly alright. Next thing is to drill the hole for the split pin. First thing you need to do is find the true centre of this and then measure the distance between underneath of the head in the original hole on the hole on the original one. So we'll use this to find the centre. Spin it up until it stops moving, like that. Kicks off. Zero the axis. Go to the other side. Same again. So it stops moving, which is there, like that, and a little bit more, and it kicks off. We do it again. Simply case a half in the reading now, and that gives us the true centre. Right, that's right in the middle now. We'll drop the table off. Line up the centre of the centre drill with the bottom of the head, which is there. Zero. I'll measure the original bolt. Measured at 101mm. So I'll put my lid back to 101. 101. That's where the hole needs to be. Carefully. I think that's it started. This is one of the drills out of the sets I've been giving away. They really are good quality drills and they weren't expensive. They're on special offer. I bought a few sets of them just to give away. Nice and gently as you break through. They're the finished items. I'm sure Shane will be happy with them. It's nice to keep things original. I mean, I know they're not original because these are made of stainless and they've been made, but at least they look the same as the original. They're the same threads. It's little details like that that make a big difference. Well, the same with Richard with the steam wagon. We'll always try and use imperial threads whenever we can. Try and keep things as they were made. Even if they were made wrong, you still try and keep it the way it's supposed to be. I've got two of these sprockets or gears to bore out. You need the hole making big enough so that little bit of bar slip through it. That's actually 20mm, so you want a 20mm hole in there. The bar goes through and then it's simply welded on the back, so it's not sort of super critical. I'm going to set this up in a 4-jaw chuck. The easiest way I've found with gears is just to put that's a bit of stainless tube, a hard bit of exhaust tube, put that around and grip that in the chuck. It means you don't damage the teeth, and it's just better all round than trying to grip on a sharp side of a tooth. We put a centre in there, that's going to get us somewhere near before we even start adjusting chucks. That's going to hold the job against the back plate and going to hold it centrally. So if we nip these up in turn, straight away, we're not a million miles away. We'll put a clock gauge on, get it set up. You can find a high jaw, which is that one. High one again, so we'll loosen off the opposite one a little bit. Tighten that one. And 5 thou there. Right, that's pretty good. Pretty good enough. Should just get it with that, just. In there, so it's a little bit of an interrupted cut, but the gear seems fairly soft. It's of an automatic gate motor, so it's not precision stuff by any stretch, but we'll get it as good as we can. One more really fine cut. That's the same setting, just taking the spring out the tool, a little bit of flex. And that is now 20mm. And we'll settle for that.